سورة المطففين.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ويل للمطففين.
Woe to those who give less in measure and weight.
الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون.
Those who, when they have to receive by measure from men, demand full measure.
وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون.
And when they have to give by measure or weight to other men, they give less than due.
ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون.
Do they not think that they will be resurrected
ليوم عظيم.
on a great day?
يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين.
The day when all mankind will stand before the Lord of the mankind, the jinn and all that exists.
كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين.
Nay, truly the record of the wicked is preserved in Sijjin.
وما أدراك ما سجين.
And what will make you know what Sijjin is?
كتاب مرقوم.
A register inscribed.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe that day to those who deny.
الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين.
Those who deny the day of recompense.
وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم.
And none can deny it except every transgressor beyond bounds, the sinner.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
When our verses are recited to him, he says, tales of the ancients.
كلا بل ران على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
Nay, but on their hearts is the covering of sins and evil deeds which they used to earn.
كلا إنهم عن ربهم يومئذ لمحجوبون.
Nay, surely they will be veiled from seeing their Lord that day.
ثم إنهم لصالو الجحيم.
Then verily they will indeed enter and taste the burning flame of hell.
ثم يقال هذا الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
Then it will be said to them, this is what you used to deny.
كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين.
Nay, verily the record of the pious is in Illiyun.
وما أدراك ما عليون.
And what will make you know what Illiyun is?
كتاب مرقوم.
A register inscribed.
يشهده المقربون.
To which bear witness those nearest.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Verily the pious will be in delight.
على الأرائك ينظرون.
On thrones, looking at all things.
تعرف في وجوههم نضرة النعيم.
You will recognize in their faces the brightness of delight.
يسقون من رحيق مختوم
They will be given to drink of pure sealed wine.
ختامه مسك وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون.
The last thereof of that wine will be the smell of musk, and for this let all those strive who want to strive.
ومزاجه من تسنيم
It will be mixed with tasneem,
عينا يشرب بها المقربون.
a spring whereof those nearest to Allah will drink.
إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون.
Verily, those who committed crimes used to laugh at those who believed.
وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون.
And whenever they passed by them, they used to wink to one another.
وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين.
And when they returned to their own people, they would return jesting.
وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون.
And when they saw them, they said, Verily, these have indeed gone astray.
وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين.
But they had not been sent as watchers over them.
فاليوم الذين آمنوا من الكفار يضحكون.
But this day, those who believe will laugh at the disbelievers.
على الأرائك ينظرون.
On high thrones, looking at all things.
هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون.
Are not the disbelievers paid fully for what they used to do?